Listen to this video explaining key concepts using measurement of variation and check your understanding. Here I want to explain four key concepts of measurement of variation which are range, variance, standard deviation, interquartile range and coefficient of variation. Let's start with range. So range is determined by deducting highest minus lowest numbers of the data set. In this example, it is 100 minus 1, which is 99. It is generally used as a quick check for the dispersion of data set. Apart from this, there is not much utility as compared to other measures. Variance and standard deviations are used to measure dispersion of data set related to its mean. So check the example. Variance is calculated by summing the square difference between each number. Then the whole sum is then divided by the number of observations. So in this example, each number subtract mean of dataset, which is 2.5, and then summed and then divided by 4, which comes to 1.12. Variance and standard deviations are very useful statistics used in a lot of situations. Standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance. IQR, interquartile range, is spread of middle half of the dataset. And see, once you have data, just divide into 4 quarters, and IQR is basically Q3 minus Q4. IQR is useful when there is a possibility of lot of outliers. It is unlikely to be uninfluenced by outliers. Coefficient of variation is ratio of standard deviation and mean. It is useful when you have to compare variations of two different data sets. For example, uh, which data set has more variation, time taken in 100 meter race or time taken in 1000 meter race. For this type of comparison, coefficient of variation is useful.